Hi everyone, I'm Kate. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to paint this bright red Celosia cristata, which is also known as the coxcomb because they just look like the head of the cox. So let's get started. Because of this color of the flowers, I'm gonna add the crimson red that I've used and introduced before. If you're new to my channel and want to see my colors, please check out some other videos and I'll leave a link in the description below. The comb is a mix of the China red with the crimson red. And then I mixed some green color with yellow and blue and dip a bit of red at the tip to paint the stems. This type of plant doesn't have any branches, so it's just the stems or spikes that grows from the ground. I fill my brush with enough ink or color for the entire flowers, and when I run out of the color, the darker color, I dipped a bit of crimson red again and paint some details. I've got some inquiries about the brand that I am using for the ink, so I'll leave it in the description below. And so I didn't forget. If you have any questions or something that I know, then I will try my best to answer. So please leave a message. If you like this type of content and haven't subscribed yet, please do so and press the bell notification button so that you don't miss out any updates. I'm adding another flowers on this side because I found this composition a little barren, but it really is up to you because this type of plant is just very low and it doesn't have any branches, so there aren't that many different ways that you can paint it, but certainly you can create your own composition. Now I'm getting ink to paint the butterfly. I am using the same brush that I've been using for painting the flowers, and as I said before, I've only used 2 brushes so far that you've seen, so I'm using the same brush to paint the fine insects. A lot of artists will use a smaller and finer brush to paint insects, but I just got lazy, so I'm using the same brush and see how far I can go. And for now, I can still paint insects which requires finer brush strokes. I'm using just ink to outline the details of the butterflies and their wings. And then I'll come back to add some color later. Now I'm getting some ink in light color to outline the veins of the leaves. Now I'm going back to the butterfly and add some color on the wings. The color is a mixture of just yellow and orange color. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. I'll see you next time.